Given A equals matrix with rows 3, minus 1, next row, 2, 5 and B equals matrix with rows 1, 4, next row, minus 2, 3, find a plus B and a minus B. We add corresponding elements of the two matrices. This means adding the elements in the same position together. Now, we perform the actual addition of the corresponding elements to get the resulting matrix. We subtract corresponding elements of the two matrices. This means subtracting the elements in the same position. Now, we perform the actual subtraction of the corresponding elements to get the resulting matrix.